Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable photo printers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 3 smartphone printer. This sleek, compact printer is perfect for Instax fans who want instant, physical prints of their digital memories. Its standout feature is its ability to produce charming, high-quality Instax prints in just 15 seconds. The Instax format is iconic, with its borderless design and retro aesthetic that appeals to scrapbookers, creatives, and anyone who loves tangible photos. Connectivity is straightforward, as it uses Bluetooth to link with your smartphone. Design-wise, the Mini Link 3 is incredibly portable, weighing just 1.6 ounces, which makes it the lightest option on our list. Its sage green color gives it a modern, stylish appearance. Performance-wise, the printer is quick and reliable, though it's worth noting that the print size is limited to Instax dimensions. This printer is ideal for casual users who enjoy the distinct Instax look rather than detailed photographic prints. However, there are some cons to consider. The Instax Mini Link 3 lacks advanced editing features seen in some competitors, and the photo size may not appeal to those wanting larger prints. Still, at $89.95, it's an excellent choice for those who want fun, fast prints with a nostalgic touch. Next up at number 4 is the Canon IV2 Mini photo printer. This compact and portable device is ideal for on-the-go printing enthusiasts. Using zinc, zero-ink technology, the IV2 produces vibrant 2x3-inch prints without needing messy ink cartridges. With its peel and stick backing, your prints can be used as stickers, perfect for decorating notebooks, laptops, and scrapbooks. The upgraded zinc technology ensures better skin tone accuracy, sharper contrast, and improved overall print quality compared to earlier models. The IV2 is designed with convenience in mind. It connects seamlessly to your smartphone via the Canon Mini Print app and Bluetooth 5.0. Its blush pink color adds a touch of style, while its lightweight design makes it easy to carry. It's great for casual users who want quick prints or stickers without breaking the bank. However, the print speed is slower than other printers on this list, and the small print size may not suit those looking for larger photos. Overall, at $79.70, the Canon IV2 is a great choice for anyone seeking a reliable and affordable photo printer for creative projects. It's portable, easy to use, and perfect for personalizing your prints. Coming in at number 3 is the Kodak Step Instant Smartphone Photo Printer, which is the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $69.99. Despite its low price, this printer packs a punch with its zinc technology, eliminating the need for expensive ink cartridges or toners. It produces 2x3-inch sticky-back prints that are smudge-proof, waterproof, and tear-resistant. The accompanying Kodak app offers a full suite of editing tools, allowing you to add filters, borders, text, and stickers to your photos before printing. The design is lightweight and highly portable, making it ideal for travel or events. It's compatible with both iOS and Android devices via Bluetooth, so you can print from virtually any smartphone. Performance-wise, the Step Instant Printer is quick, delivering prints in less than 60 seconds. However, the small photo size and lack of advanced connectivity features like Wi-Fi may not suit everyone. Ultimately, this printer is perfect for those on a budget who want quick, fun prints for scrapbooking or decorating. It's a solid option for casual users, but may not appeal to those seeking professional-grade photo quality. At number 2, we have the Kodak Mini 2 Retro 4-Pass Portable Photo Printer, which brings professional-grade photo quality to the palm of your hand. Using advanced dye sublimation technology, this printer delivers stunningly detailed prints with vibrant colors that are resistant to fingerprints, water, and fading. The laminating process ensures your photos are durable and long-lasting, making it perfect for preserving special memories. The Mini 2 Retro is pocket-sized and ultra-lightweight, making it easy to carry anywhere. It connects via Bluetooth and pairs with the Kodak app, which offers a variety of creative editing features, such as frames and templates. You can choose between bordered and borderless prints, adding versatility to your projects. However, its print size is limited to 2.1 by 3.4 inches, which may not suit those who prefer larger formats. While the price isn't listed, the Mini 2 Retro offers excellent value for its high-quality output and portability. It's ideal for users who prioritize photo durability and print quality over size and advanced features. Finally, at number 1, we have the Lean M100 4x6-inch photo printer, which stands out as the premium option on our list. This printer uses thermal dye sublimation technology to create stunningly vibrant and detailed prints that are water-resistant, fingerprint-proof, and fade-resistant. Unlike the smaller format printers, the Lean M100 produces 4x6-inch photos, making it ideal for users who want larger, high-quality prints. The included package of 100 sheets and 3 cartridges ensures you're ready to print right out of the box. Design-wise, the Lean M100 is minimalist yet functional, featuring a magnetic casing for compact storage. It connects via Wi-Fi and USB, allowing up to 5 simultaneous device connections. The Lean app further enhances the user experience with customizable editing tools, allowing you to adjust borders, filters, brightness, and even print ID photos. However, its larger size and heavier weight, 6.32 pounds, make it less portable compared to other printers on this list. Priced at $139.99, the Lean M100 is perfect for professionals, families, and anyone who values high-quality prints. With its robust build, advanced features, and reliable performance, it's the best overall choice for portable photo printing. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.